What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best pellet grill. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Pit Boss Wood Pellet Grill 440 series is an ideal choice for those looking to save money while still getting a product of decent quality. It has a compact design, making it more efficient than larger models and perfect for beginners who want to smoke their own food at home. On top of its economical price point, this model packs in 465 square inches of cooking space. Enough for a few pounds of chicken wings, but potentially not enough for large crowds. Nonetheless managing to punch way above its weight in related grilling and smoking tests. Above reaching its maximum temperature in only 15 minutes, the grill consistently produced intense smoky flavors when cooking steaks, chicken wings, and more with minimal temperature fluctuations over 10-hour smoking sessions. The main drawback is that the tin can only hold 5 pounds of wood pellets at a time, requiring frequent refills every 2 hours if you're planning on long smoking sessions. Despite this minor inconvenience, though, there are plenty of great features that make the Pit Boss Wood Pellet Grill 440 series worth considering. Its stainless steel pellet grate offers one-touch operation with natural hardwood pellets, as well as precise temperature control between 180 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit through the blue dot LED digital control panel with bright LED backlight. An automatic safety feature also allows users to confidently cook without worrying about starting a fire or freeing up the smoke level before turning off the unit. Overall, if you're looking for an economical and efficient pellet grill that produces impressive results while offering easy operation and reliable safety features, then you should definitely consider the Pit Boss Wood Pellet Grill 440 series. With its tight cooking space and straightforward yet powerful design, it can easily stand up against some of the more expensive models on the market without breaking your budget. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. The Traeger Tailgater Pellet Grill is the best portable pellet grill available on the market in 2023. It has all of the features you want from a premium pellet grill and packs them into a more compact portable package. This allows you to take it along with you for tailgating, camping, or any other gathering, making it perfect for anyone who loves good food but doesn't have much space. The Traeger comes with an automatic 10-minute shutdown cycle to ensure there are no fires from leftover pellets. It also has heavy-duty wheels which make it easy to transport on almost any surface, perfect for those who need something they can quickly move around if needed. Installation is simple and straightforward since all the necessary materials and tools are provided. All parts that need replacing are marked clearly with numbers and letters that match each other, so you don't have to worry about getting lost in assembly. We recommend wiping down the hood before installing the electric pellet hopper, with auger included, and firebox accessories, as well as wearing gloves or mittens when removing the grease strip tray. This makes cleaning much easier when it's warm rather than hot. When using the Traeger Tailgater for grilling, burgers will look great and won't burn over direct heat due to its temperature control capability between 420 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The electronic unit requires 2 buttons for adjusting its LED display settings. Some might find this a bit tricky until they get used to it, but once mastered, you'll be able to control your cooking temperatures with ease. According to user reviews, the grill can hold up to 12 half-pound burgers at once and takes about 6 minutes on each side, creating juicy patties imbued with smoky flavor without sacrificing their shape, like what would normally happen when cooked over a traditional propane or charcoal grill. Cleaning the unit is fairly effortless as well. Just remove any removable parts such as grill grates, grease strip pans, and heat baffles and wipe them down with aluminum foil. This changes temperatures slightly, but is also a great way of making cleaning easier afterward when done properly first time around. The Traeger Tailgater Pellet Grill might not be fancy, but what it does do exceptionally well is cook better than its competitors while being highly portable at the same time. Perfect for anyone who wants great tasting meals wherever they go. Up next, we present to you the Weber SmokeFire EX6 Wood-Fired Pellet Grill, also known as the best versatile pellet grill available on the market in 2023. At first glance, the Weber SmokeFire 2nd generation looks exactly like the original. After you assemble the grill, your first impression will be how good it looks. The paint job is smooth and definitely looks like a Weber, not a Traeger ripped off like many other pellet grills. We consider the front shelf almost a necessary addition. While the extra side shelf is nice to have but not necessary, it definitely increases the price of the grill. Regarding the size of the cooking space, you can cook or smoke a lot of food at the same time. For us, this is one of its great features. In terms of temperature range, the grill is capable of 200 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Users have been able to confirm that the grill can hit these ranges. SmokeFire uses a unique open concept where the cooking space is not sealed off from the frame. SmokeFire comes with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities and communicates with an app on your smartphone. The SmokeFire EX6 comes with 4 temperature probe ports and 1 free meat probe. When tested, the meat probe is actually quite accurate. The probe works with the Weber Connect app, so you can set an alarm when the meat reaches the desired temperature. This is one of its great features. But rest assured that with the Weber SmokeFire EX6 wood-fired pellet grill, you won't run into any problems like pellets not loading or unreliable temperatures. It's capable of reaching high temperatures easily. The grill is great for smoking or grilling a lot of food at once. Users report being able to cook 30 burgers at once. There's also a rack on its second level that adds to its cooking capabilities. Plus, this model has good grates which hold up well compared to some other models out there. Thumbs up for sure. And speaking about unique features, it has a pellet hopper sensor, which activates an alarm if pellet levels drop too low. Plus, there's an easy chain chute for releasing pellets in order to change flavors quickly and easily. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Next on our review list is the Camp Chef Woodwind Wifi 24, which took home a silver medal and the title of the best runner-up pellet grill available on the market in 2023. If you're in the market for a brand new pellet grill, chances are you've come across the name Camp Chef. Camp Chef is home to propane grills, smokers, and various stoves. However, their pellet grills are what makes them famous, with 20 different models under their belt. The latest grill they've come out with is the Camp Chef Woodwind Wifi 24. Unlike grilling companies like Traeger and Pit Boss, Camp Chef began its journey building outdoor stoves in Cache Valley, Utah. According to Camp Chef, they were founded on the idea that there had to be a better way to cook outdoors. The Woodwind Wifi 24 is a pellet grill within the Woodwind range, offering a total of 811 square inches of cooking space. This 24-inch grill uses wood pellets to create smoke, giving your food a delicious smoky flavor as it cooks. It also comes with built-in Wi-Fi technology that allows you to monitor your food without being near it. The Woodwind 24 has a very traditional feel, with a stainless steel body and a black steel tank attached to the left side of the pellet smoker. It comes fully equipped with a full-color PID controller, proportional integral derivative. It allows you to set cooking times, easily adjust the temperature of your smoker, and even get notifications on your smartphone when the meat reaches your desired temperature. Almost anything you can do directly on the grill, you can do over the phone. Since the Woodwind is a pellet grill, often called a pellet smoker, it uses wood pellets as its energy source. These pellets are fed from the tank into the central pot of the smoker. Above the firebox, there's also a pan with a heat diffuser. It's there to distribute the heat evenly, keeping the entire grill consistent. Another thing we love about the Woodwind 24 is its ability to add an optional searing box, which can reach an incredible 900 degrees Fahrenheit, creating beautiful marks on your meat. The Woodwind can handle up to 22 pounds worth of pellets at once, which means it's perfect for fitting an entire 20-pound bag at once. Most other pellet grills can only take half that amount, so this is great news for people who frequently use pellets. Plus, it also has an integrated quick emptying feature, which allows you to replace or empty out any remaining pellets so you don't have to drag them out by hand. Another great feature. Finally, we present to you the gold medal and the title of the best overall pellet grill in 2023, the Traeger Ironwood 885 Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. Traeger is a name synonymous with excellence in the pellet cooking space, and with this model, they've offered their most versatile feature set yet. With 885 square inches of total cooking surface spread across the main griddle, 570 square inches, and top shelf 315 square inches, there is plenty of room for ribs and other large pieces of food. If that seems too much, Traeger also offers a smaller 650 square inch version which will take up less space in your garage and require fewer pellets to maintain temperature. The outer steel surface comes powdered coated, while its handles are ergonomically designed for better grip. The lid has some nice touches like these carved scallops on its handle, making it easier to open and close safely. Additionally, it weighs about 175 pounds, so assembly requires 2 people, but all pieces come clearly labeled and neatly arranged with all needed tools included in the box. Convenient. It took 2 people about 30 minutes to get it out of the box and ready to burn pellets. The Traeger D2 controller monitors everything during cooking, getting up to 225 degrees between 10 to 15 minutes. Their true convection feature circulates smoke-filled air around the food on the grate before expelling it through a channel on the back. It also has a brushless DC motor powering its auger, an illuminated built-in fuel level sensor on its pellet tank for near real-time measurement, and even a pellet hole so you can easily switch fuel types without wasting any pellets. There's also an accompanying Traeger app which works on both iOS and Android devices, giving users access to many more features such as setting temperatures or creating custom recipes from pre-programmed ones, perfect for exploring different cuisines. The Traeger Ironwood 885 is truly an impressive piece of technology that any owner would be proud to have in their backyard or garage. Overall, this model delivers top-level performance at an unbeatable price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best pellet grills in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.